This is Prodigy. It is a web-based math program that is a game for your students to play. I intend to use it to supplement my math lessons and provide a review. It is aligned with the Common Core standards, and you can use it for grades 1st through 8th. So first I'm going to show you what the game looks like. So the students are a wizard and they are battling in order to train their pet. So in order to battle, they have to answer math problems. So when they're doing their math problems, they have over here these tools to choose from, so they can draw. They also have manipulatives they can use to help them solve. So they choose the answer, and they go down and cast spell and they get the correct answer, and now they're ready to battle. And the idea is to hold on to your heart so that you can level up and reduce the hearts of their opponent. So going back to the game, when students first sign on, they're playing, but they're taking a placement test. So that gives you an idea of where they are. Now, I haven't used this with my students, so I had my own children sign up, and their placement is down here, and obviously they're different grades. So you can see I have a 3rd and a 4th grader. It shows you how each student is doing over here. And another great option is you can invite parents. So there's your audience. You've got your students are the audience because they're enjoying playing the game and learning math at the same time. And your parents are able to sign up and see their child's progress, which is always great because that way they know what their child is working on in class. So an option that I really like is, again, you're able to differentiate your instruction. So you can create quizzes for your students, and I teach 2nd grade, so it's already on that grade level, and you can pick which area you want to work on. I'm just kind of randomly picking, and here's the amount of questions you can choose for your students. So let's go a little bit more, and then you have the option of choosing which students you want it to go to. You may want it to go to all of them, but again, there's your opportunity to differentiate instruction. So it's a great way to work on math with your students in a fun way that they can do the math at home and in class. I feel this speaks to the ISTE standards for educational leaders. Number 4B ensures resources support the effective use of technology. And also 5D, it develops the skills needed to navigate and improve learning. So it's a wonderful way to teach the math, and I am looking forward to trying it with my students.